Hey Colts! In this video we are going to learn how to use the Canadian Encyclopedia. The Canadian Encyclopedia provides background information on all topics through a Canadian lens. Let's start with a search. Just say you have to do an assignment on air pollution. There are quite a few articles. We're just going to pick one. As you can see, it does background information. All of the topics are broken down on the side here. And if I actually read through it, I'll find it talks about the topic in relation to Canada. There's a share feature where you can email yourself the article. There's also a citation machine. At BCSS, we use MLA and APA. So make sure you ask your teacher which one he or she prefers. There's also a button here called Recommended. It will recommend different articles that relate to this topic. There's a browse feature where you can go by subject area. This is actually good if you're not quite sure what you want to study. And then there's a timeline feature where it takes major events and maps it out in a timeline format. So for example, if I was studying Indigenous peoples, I can look at this timeline and this talks about Indigenous peoples in relation to Canadian history. So that is a brief introduction to the Canadian Encyclopedia. Thanks for watching, and remember, no Colt walks alone.